John D. Rockefeller once said, "You know the only thing that gives me pleasure? Watching my dividends come in." So what do dividends have to do with this pretty busy medical rehab facility behind me? Click on this next installment of our semi-annual outlook video to find out. And as for the Santa hat, if you're not going to wear it this time of year, when are you going to wear it? Hello, I'm Ward Brown, and welcome to part 2 of the virtual version of our semi-annual investment outlook. Today we're going to dive into the Argent Dividend Select strategy. It focuses on big companies with solid dividends, about 3 times the average bond yield, and an expectation for that dividend to grow over time. It's been a very popular strategy for Argent clients, and it sits at an interesting crossroads of things going on in the world as we head into 2021. One of the common themes in these videos has been the global central bank's program to keep interest rates near historically low levels. The purpose is to stoke economic activity, and it's a worthy objective. But one of the downsides has been the impact on the yield, in other words, the interest rate return of most fixed income products. It's a very tough time to be excited about bonds. Of course, that makes higher dividend stocks that much more attractive, but not all dividends are created equal. 2020 is a great example of what can happen when too much focus is on only a higher yield rather than giving equal importance to the underlying quality of the business or industry. When COVID-related shutdowns occurred earlier this year, those companies without strong balance sheets or a quality management team were forced to cut or even eliminate their dividend. While no one gets it right every time, we always aim for high-quality companies that generate enough cash to run their business in good times and bad, look at acquisitions, fund new products, and still have enough cash to look over to pay out a dividend to their investors. We really like that type of company. As we look into 2021, there's solid evidence of an improving global economy on the back of the coming vaccine, additional stimulus, and the potential for better corporate earnings as things return to normal. That's why the Argent Dividend Select portfolio has exposure to companies benefiting from economic growth. Some sectors that have been out of favor until recently, such as financials, industrials, parts of healthcare, tie in well with the economic growth outlook. For example, over the last few months, consumer finance is an area where increased exposure has been rewarded as companies supporting the consumer getting back out and spending money benefit. Another is the healthcare sector, where elective medical procedures resuming en masse as COVID wanes will accelerate the demand for the related medical equipment at hospitals and outpatient surgery centers. We see that as a great opportunity for profit. Thanks a lot, and I'll be back next time with an update on Argent's rapidly growing mid-cap strategy. Thanks again.